In a major move to improve hygiene and access to clean water, WaterAID Nigeria, in partnership with the IKORODU North Local Council Development Area, LCDA, and a religious faith commissioned solarized water and gender-friendly sanitation facilities in IKORODU. Our correspondent Fatoki Kunle compiles details in this report from our studios.
Before now, communities and students of some schools in IKORODU North LCDA, Lagos State, have faced difficulties in accessing water supply for their daily needs due to poor electricity supply. This appears to be a thing of the past with the provision of solar-powered borehole, which will make access to water be easier at African Bethel Primary School, IKORODU Idera Community Primary School, and Zumurato Islamia Primary School, Odoguyon, and communities in which the schools are located. This is apart from newly constructed decent toilets.
We are having a government that is changing the narratives. We are having a government that is up and doing, and we are having a government that is targeting towards the upliftment of educational system in IKORODU North. And of course, I also remember even during his time as vice chairman, we experienced something similar of this. Especially I can recall that of his grammar school. Something of that nature came up.
Before we are managing ourselves via the toileting, via the hygienic, but the WaterAID has given us a befitting toilet. WaterAID has trained us to manage our health. WaterAID has given us what we call an hygienic education. So the face of the school will drastically change.
Provided by WaterAID Nigeria in collaboration with the local government authorities, the facilities, which is the second year of the Strengthening Water and Sanitation Delivery Project, Year 2 in Lagos, from June 2024 to August 2025, is expected to provide access to safe water, decent toilets, and hygiene for 4,500 people across 3 schools in IKORODU North LCDA and support healthy learning environments through proper sanitation infrastructure.
We look forward to a period where all the work that we have done is actively sustained and implemented in other locations by government and our partners, so that indeed every school, every healthcare facility, every community has improved water sanitation and hygiene service.
To ensure community ownership, the long-term sustainability of these gains, management structures were established at multiple levels. 3 water sanitation and hygiene committees, WashComs, were formed in 3 communities, while 5 environmental health clubs were established in 5 schools.
The chairman of IKORODU North LCDA, Mayor Amin Ibrahim Akpanishile, stated that the solar boreholes were commissioned to provide a reliable source of clean water, especially in areas that suffer from power outages.
That we are going to compliment on what you have done, and as you can see, we have been to 3 different schools today. We've been to like 6 or 7 earlier before now. We have been to 3 different schools. More are still ongoing. Courtesy WaterAID as well.
Residents of the benefiting communities expressed relief and gratitude with a solar-powered borehole, noting that due to poor electricity supply, they had been unable to fetch water for weeks.
Water is life, and when there's no water in school, even if there is toilet, there's no way they can use that toilet. But with the water facility and then improve sanitation facility and with toilets, I think it's very important. You can see the children now. They are so joyful that they don't need to defecate around the school.
The newly constructed toilets and solar-powered boreholes come as part of a broader effort to promote water, sanitation, and hygiene in public schools, which is essential to reducing school absenteeism caused by poor sanitary conditions.